Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for fame. It's a beautiful day. Yay, 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 yay. It's a beautiful day. Yay, yay, yay. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! For today's video, we have 2 days practice. Ang saya po namin guys, nagkita po ulit kami. Thank you classmates. Shout out po tita. After po ng practice, we went to Uncle Majid. Nag-order po ng food ang classmate ko po while we are watching here. This is our second day of practice. Yay! After 2 hours, tapos na po kami mag-practice. Let's go home, guys! At night, we went to hospital. My mommy and daddy need to check up. Hello. Don't worry, guys. They are okay. Thank you po, Lord. Guys, thanks for watching. I love you all. Stay safe and God bless. Oops, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. See you on my next video. Bye.